Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you a new component in Lightning Flows, which has been released in Spring 24. It is currently in beta version, but I think it is going to be very helpful component for everyone. So what repeater component will do? The repeater component gives us a repeatable data entry section that user can repeat n times. Once the flow builder includes fields in the repeater section, the user can add or remove section occurrence in runtime on the same screen, so that you can add multiple records from one place without the need to navigate from the screen. In this video, we are going to use repeater component to create multiple contacts via screen element. I want the user to enter first name, last name, but I don't want to restrict the user to only create one contact. Instead, I want user to be able to create multiple contacts from the same screen by clicking Add button. Let's see how we can use repeater component to achieve this. Okay, let's go to org and create new screen flow. Let's go and click new flow. Okay, click screen flow. And let's add a screen element to get the contact information. Add screen element and give name contact information. Okay, let's find repeater element and add repeater. As you see, the repeater element in beta version. Let's put it here. As written here, we can drag a component and drop inside the repeater. Let's give name for repeater element. Right. Repeat. Contact. That's good. Okay, let's choose text components to get first and last name from the user. Please be careful to put all components inside the repeater component. Let's add text element. Put inside the repeater element and let's write first name. This is good. And that's another one. Okay, let's write last name. And let's make it required. Okay, we add all two fields in our repeater component. Let's go to our screen and add hide previous and pause and give the custom label. Let's write create contacts. Okay, click done. So we will get all needed information from the user via screen element. Okay, let's find out how we will process that data entered by user via repeater component. So for processing data, what I will do, I will use a loop to get each data entered. Why I use loop here? Because repeater component puts all fields values in a collection. Okay, let's choose a loop and give a name. Let's write each contact. And here we have to choose collection variable. Let's click here. As you see, we have repeater contact and click this one and all items is here. Let's choose this one. Okay, what loop will do? It will iterate each contact information which user populated. That is cool. Okay. Now we need an assignment element to get each contact information and add them to record collection to be created. So that we first need two variables. One is single record variable to get each contact information. And the other one is record collection variables to add all contacts into this collection to be inserted. Okay, let's create a new source. Choose variable and give a name. Let's write contact record. Choose data type record and the object is contact. This is our first variable. Click done. And let's create our collection. Choose variable. Write API name, all contacts. Choose data type record. The object is contact. And click the collection. Okay, we are ready to assign each contact to our variable. Let's add an assignment element. And give a name. Add all contacts to collection. And in set variables, let's choose our single variable. This is our single variable. And assign each field value coming from screen element. Choose contact record and choose the first name. First name equals our current loop first name. And add another one, our single variable, last name, and our current loop, last name. Okay, we assign our first name and last name to our single record. And let's add another one and add this contact to our collection. Let's choose our collection variables. This is our collection variables and add this contact record. That is cool. Okay, we are done to assign all contacts to our collection. Our collection is all contacts. Now we are ready to insert all contacts. Let's choose create records. And let's give a name. Create contacts with repeater. Okay. And we create multiple records. Okay. And choose the collection. This is our collection. Okay. Our flow is ready. Let's save flow and give a name. Let's write same. Create contacts with repeater and save. Okay, we have all done. Okay, let's try to run this and see how it behaves. Okay, click run. As you can see, we have fields in screen elements, first name and the last name. And here, as you see, we have add button and the remove button. These are the buttons come from repeater component. We can add as many as contact without coming screen element again and again. Let's click this one. As you see, we can add another one. Let's click one more time. As you see, we can add another one. And we can also remove which we want. Okay, let's populate first one. Let's give first name. Let's write repeater 1. And the last name, awesome. Okay, this is first contact. And let's add another one. Let's copy this one and give 2 and the same last name. Let's add another one. Copy this one. And the last name will be the same. Okay. Right now, we have entered 3 contact information. As I said before, we can remove if we want. Okay, we are ready to create contacts. Let's click contacts button and see what happens. Click create contacts. Okay, it is done. Let's go to contacts and refresh it. Cool. As you can see, 3 records are created successfully. That is great. Okay, this is how amazing the repeater element is. It is still in beta version. I hope it will become generally available as soon as possible. I think it is going to reduce a lot of effort and lot of duplicate elements, and it will definitely be very helpful for everyone. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like icon, subscribe my channel, and make your comments. See you next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.